The iPhone 6 Plus has a special place in iPhone history as the firm's first phablet handset. Breaking through the 5-inch screen mark with a 5.5-inch offering, the 6 Plus set a trend that's still going strong today. Apple's debut phablet is still a winner if you're in the market for a cheap iOS device with a big screen. It's no longer top of Apple's pecking order, having been replaced by the iPhone 6s Plus, 7 Plus and most recently, the iPhone 8 Plus. When it comes to key features on the iPhone 6 Plus, there's only one you really need to know about: the screen. It is, after all, the whole point of the handset, offering Apple fans a supersized screen on their most mobile of devices. It's got plenty of company around the 5.5-inch Rema too, but for Apple fans looking for a phablet-sized iOS handset, the iPhone 6 Plus and iPhone 6s Plus are the only games in town. The 6 Plus was the first iPhone to boast a Full HD 1920 by 1080 display. The iPhone 6 only musters a still somewhat average 750 by 1334 resolution with a pixel density of 326 pixels. The LED backlit display has impressive viewing angles thanks to Apple's use of dual-domain pixels, which makes for an excellent visual appearance, especially if there are a few of you crowded round a screen. The IPS panel helps make colors bright and clear, and with a 1300:1 contrast ratio to boot, the new screen elements combine to deliver a noticeable improvement over the screen on the iPhone 5s. Combining premium design and Apple's high level of finesse, the iPhone 6 Plus is a highly accomplished smartphone that will hit all of the right notes for anyone desperate for a big-screened iPhone. Android fans hell-bent on a phablet-sized smartphone full to the brim with the latest tech and monster power are unlikely to favor the iPhone 6 Plus, which on paper doesn't stack up in terms of raw specs. But that won't matter to Apple, or to those who part with a princely sum of money in order to own an iPhone 6 Plus. The iPhone 6 Plus brings together excellently Apple's tried and tested design, craftsmanship and interface in the larger form factor, providing the perfect smartphone for those who require a bigger display, while also reveling in the simplicity and intuition that an Apple handset continues to offer.